How to fix Snapchat something went wrong. Hello guys, first thing open the settings, go to the apps manager. When you open the apps, scroll until you find Snapchat right here. Click on Snapchat and then click on force stop. After that, click on storage, click on clear data, click on delete. Go back and then click on data usage right here. Disable the background data and the roaming data and enable only the mobile data and the Wi-Fi. That's it. Now go back to the settings on your phone, go to the wireless and networks, enable the airplane mode and then disable it. After that, all what you want to do next is go to the Play Store and update your Snapchat right there. You can also update it in the App Store if you have iPhone. The last thing you want to do is restart your phone, and congratulations. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial until the very end. See you later.